Okay, let's look at our third area, which is drum kits. And just like the patterns and just like the arrangements here, we have two locations for our drum kits, either the preset or the song locations. We can read from the preset, we can tweak them, but we can only store into the song location. So let's go in the presets here. You can see that we have 9 different kits, everything from a standard kit, like that, to a TR-808, great old drum machine made by Roland back in the day. So here's the deal. Once you've selected a kit, then you can select a tone, either from the drop-down menu right here, or you can just simply select it right here. Notice as soon as you click on a tone, it will be loaded right up here. Here's the deal. You can pan each one to the left and the right, and then you can replace this sound right here with either a sound from another kit that's tone copy, or you can load up a WAV file or an AIFF file, and it's really cool thing to do. Let's go back to the very first drum kit, which is the standard drum kit here, and this is what it sounds like. Let's replace this snare drum. So with the snare drum selected there, we could copy that from another kit. Let's bring it over from the 808 kit. And so now, instead of that being a standard kick and snare, it's a standard kick, but I've replaced that snare with the 808 from the, with a snare from the 808 kit. And you'll notice, just like the pattern and the arrangement, as soon as I tweak any of these kits, this goes from being preset to an edit one, and then we can write that to any of the song locations. So here's the other thing you can do. You can actually bring in a sample of your own. If you download some samples from the internet or make up your own samples, you can make up your own drum kit. Here's a great example. Tone load. I'm on my desktop. I'm going to bring in a car horn. So now check it out. So you can hear that is a brand new sound that was just kicking around on my computer. That's now in this kit. And guess what? Every instance of the snare drum being played in this pattern will now play this sound, which will be a horn. Check it out. Now, obviously, I'm not saying that you really need to have a car horn as your snare drum in your song, but you can see it's very easy. I mean, if someone has a really, a fantastic drum machine, and they can export one of those sounds, and you can put it in your computer, anything you can put in your computer, if it's a WAV file or an AIFF file, you can bring it right here and load that. And just once you load it, then you just navigate around your computer, you select it, and that will drop it right in here. Once you've tweaked your drum kit the way you like, then you can go ahead and write that, and guess what? You place it into any of these 5 song locations. Hit that like that, and then bang, it's done. Really great way to add your own patterns and also drum kits, huh? So the last USB function is the ability to transfer files back and forth and also back up your data. All of this is achieved